If you try to read a million lines of code all at once, you will go blind. Because software engineering isn't a library of text, it is a massive Lego set hidden in a completely pitch-black room. You enter this room with a tiny flashlight. That flashlight is your immediate attention span. When you click it on, you can only see one single Lego brick at a time. A tiny red square here, a blue connector piece there. Your job is to snap these pieces together to build a castle. But because you cannot see the room, you are constantly stepping on sharp plastic edges. Every bug you encounter is a piece you dropped on the floor in the dark, and every crash is the entire left tower collapsing because you forgot to secure the foundation. This is the hidden reality of how your brain processes software. Your working memory can only hold about 4 pieces of information at once. In programming, we call these pieces variables, functions, or modules. When a codebase grows into millions of lines, no human mind can visualize the whole structure. Instead, you are building blind, relying entirely on your mental map of where you think you left the garage door or the castle drawbridge. To survive in the dark, professional builders use architectural blueprints. In code, these are design patterns and clean documentation. They don't light up the whole room, but they give you a tactile map of the floor. You learn to feel your way around the structure. You know that if you touch a specific support beam, the roof won't cave in. When you write messy, unorganized code, it is like dumping 10,000 random bricks on the floor and mixing them up. The next developer who enters the room with their tiny flashlight has to sort through your pile just to find a single matching hinge. This is why debugging takes 10 times longer than writing code. You aren't just fixing a mistake, you are playing a high-stakes game of blindfolded hide-and-seek with a broken plastic brick. The secret to mastering this environment is modularity. Instead of trying to build the entire castle on the cold, dark floor all at once, you build small, self-contained sections on a well-lit workbench. You assemble a complete window frame. You finish a solid, independent wheelhouse. Once a module is perfectly snapped together, it becomes a single solid object. Now, when you pick it up in the dark, your flashlight treats it as one piece instead of 50 separate bricks. You save your precious cognitive energy. The next time you open an integrated development environment, turn off the illusion that you need to understand the whole system simultaneously. Focus your flashlight on one clean connection. Make sure the studs click perfectly into the tubes. Build small, secure modules and pass the blueprint to the next person entering the dark. My prescription is simple. Subscribe, like, and comment below to let me know which analogy you need decoded next.